In this project, you'll make a banded or striped pattern using some motifs from your original design. You'll put them in a design unit. Open your original Swiss pattern. Unlock your layers and grab the Quick Selection tool. Grab a motif, and if your selection goes beyond the borders, use the Alt or Option key on your keyboard to push the selection back. Hit Copy. Create a new project that's 1000 pixels by 1000 pixels. You want a dimension that's easily divided in half. Paste your motif and delete the background layer. Use the Selection tool to copy and paste the motif and arrange it along the center of the document. Make sure the motif does not touch any of the edges. You want some variation, but not one single motif should stand out. We're going to use an offset filter, but you have to work on single layers. For that reason, select all of your layers and group them. Then make a copy and turn that group off. You'll save it for later. Select all the layers within the new group and merge them. Now you can use the offset filter. To start, we will adjust the horizontal orientation. Choose 500 because it's half of the original dimension. Set your vertical orientation to 0. It should make your stripe go off the left and right edges. You'll see it creates a space in the middle. Go back to your original group and copy one of the motifs and turn the visibility back off. Paste it on your new copy and arrange it so it fills the center. Select your stripe layer and the additional motif and merge them. Make a copy of that new stripe layer. Select the layer on top and go back to your offset filter. This time you're going to make a vertical change to 500. You'll see that splits the band in half and puts it along the top and bottom edges. Your copy will remain in the middle. Select it and go to Edit, Transform, Flip horizontally. This will give your bands a little variation. Now select both layers and go back to your Edit menu and select Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name and hit OK. Create a new document that's 12 inches by 12 inches, not pixels this time. Create a new layer and delete your background layer. With your new layer selected, select the Pattern Fill option at the bottom of the Layers palette. You can adjust the scale. You'll see in my example that I made an inadvertent tram line. I will go back to the original design motif and adjust the duplicate layers, creating a new copy and following the same process as before. Remember, the new layer in the middle that does not get vertically offset should be horizontally transformed. You'll know you've done it correctly when all of the edges now go off the canvas, just like before. Make it a pattern again and try your fill again on the new document that's 12 by 12 inches. Once you are satisfied, create a new layer underneath. Grab your eyedropper and sample some color from your motif, and use the paint bucket to fill the background.